this truck. Oh my god. Seriously. Oh my.
Oh, buddy, what is this? We got a Cummins. Who drives a Cummins? Who drives this Cummins? What up?
You doing alright?
Yeah, dude. Why does it sit up so tall from the factory?
That's what I said.
Right?
It was high.
Oh my god.
You can slide the seat back. Katie had it forward.
Dude, how was the drive? About to come out. We're at the Atlanta airport. At the Atlanta airport picking up a special guest. Dude, these guys are anal though. Like, they make you keep moving. Slow down or stop?
Your destination is on the right.
Right past the cop, you said?
Yeah.
Mullet gang. Just got back from I guess a 4-hour round trip to Atlanta and back. We picked up a special guest. He traveled all the way from Pennsylvania here to pick up Armando's L5P Duramax. We'll show you guys who that is in a second. We got the special guest. You ready? You
I am
excited?
so excited, man. This truck. Oh my god. Seriously. Oh my god.
I think he likes it, Armando.
Bro. Look at this thing. Pictures and videos do it no justice.
Got it all detailed up too for y'all.
Wow. Fox shocks all the way around. Oh, wow, man. That is a sweet truck. I told
Yeah.
Jack, dude, I was like, if I were to build a truck, this is it. This would be the truck I built.
Right.
And it's sitting right here. And now it's on the channel for you guys to enjoy.
That's awesome.
Wow.
I think he likes it, dude.
Yeah, I definitely don't hate it. Wow, that color's beautiful. Is this ceramic coated or anything?
No.
No, okay. I didn't think it was.
I know it's a sad day for you,
Yeah, dude.
but a happy day too, you know?
Bittersweet. Because you got a beautiful new 5th gen sitting out here. In that. Probably the most beautiful color that I've ever seen. I love that blue. And you don't see them. You said you had to go to Texas to pick that up?
Pick it up, yeah.
That's insane.
No? Is it gonna be released yet? Oh.
Oh my god, I would like to look at that. That definitely does not hurt, baby.
Hi, Idol.
Bro, I would just sit out here for like hours.
Right?
Yep, turn it on again. This is happening. So apparently there's some goodies under here.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, all whirly fab everything. That's what I like to see. Big airbox right here. Dang, that color's perfect match too.
Don't think about it too much. I know it's gonna hurt, but win it back. Hey, I'll enter. I'll sell it back to you.
Keep that in mind, everybody. I love those HD headlights too, man. That's probably the cleanest build for HD.
Yeah, so for those of you guys that haven't figured it out, obviously Armando's selling that truck to enthusiasts. That's going to be a Dream Diesel giveaway. By the time this video is released, you guys should find out that that will be one of the giveaway trucks. This is Armando's new truck. We got a 2021 Cummins, and we're going to be documenting everything that Mondo does to this truck on my channel. So technically we have a Cummins build on my channel. I know you guys wanted me to get one. It just happens that Mondo got one, so it kind of really worked out for the channel. Plan right now is obviously he's gonna go wide, similar to what he did on the Duramax, but I don't think he's gonna drop it this time. He might put it on a lift kit, but not too big. It'll be like a 4-inch lift, stanced out. I mean, just look at this blue. I don't know how he does it. I don't know how he goes and finds these beautiful colored trucks, but that red is beautiful, and this blue is just, oh, look at it. I know it's dirty right now because he just picked this up from Texas and drove 14 hours back, but yeah, this thing is sick. First thing he did was he got everything tinted at Trap Window Tinting. Obviously, one of the best window tinting in Augusta. They do ceramic tint, they do PPF, they do it all. So yeah, we're gonna be documenting this whole build. He's planning on color matching all the plastic, color matching the headlights, might even do some Alpha X headlights. We'll see. We'll have to see what we got planned. Make sure to hit that subscribe button because we're gonna be documenting this build on the channel. So if you guys like Cummins, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And the Duramax behind me is getting some weight loss parts too. So stay tuned. We got plenty of content.
Guys, a very happy moment for me and a not so happy moment for Mondo, but I'll be taking those. It's official, man.
Yeah, don't cry, dude. It's okay. You got a new Ram, so you don't have to cry too much.
A beautiful new Ram. A blank canvas Ram that, well, quite frankly, is gonna look pretty sick in a couple.
You look like you're about to cry.
I gotta go to the bathroom real quick, guys.
Onions.
When I bought this truck, this was everything I wanted,
Right.
ever wanted, and
Yep.
now it's leaving me.
It's going to a good home, I assure you that.
A seller's remorse.
Yeah, buyer's remorse? Nah, seller's remorse.
Hello, darkness, my
It'll have a bunch of new friends too.
Oh, for sure.
Delmonico. Did you paint match this, or is that just all factory? Yeah, paint.
Yeah, paint it.
Couldn't tell if that was the factory GMC color or it's good.
And you painted that plastic behind there, right? Okay. Hey, at least it's going to a good home, and you get to watch it grow. You never know. We might, whoever wins this truck, we might buy it from them. Buy it back from them. What?
It's got an audio system in it?
Yeah, subs.
What?
Right? We got 210s.
Yep, you're gonna be jamming.
Dude, so I'm gonna be bopping going down the road.
It's
looking
2
at this
DD
cool.
audio.
Is it going to be the subs or the turbo that you listen to?
Oh, how do I choose? bro?
I guess take turns.
Yeah, anyway.
Right. Every other song is.
Mute the radio and just listen to the turbo.
Yeah, 2.8s you said, or
2.8.
2.8s.
No, excuse me, 2 6.5 DD audio. They hit just as hard as a 12.
Yeah.
All right, let's make it official. This is now a repair towing vehicle.
Woo! That sound. It's okay. We're gonna do that on my truck. Hey, you look good driving it.
Dude, thank you. You know, Jack, this is my truck now. I'm sorry. It's just how it's gonna happen. Tell you what, though, the siblings look good together. They're always gonna be siblings.
Dude, we just need a white truck in between.
Yeah.
Red, white, blue. I know.
The Rams looking at the GMC right now, like, yo, is my future looking like that? I'm gonna be excited if it is.
Right. I don't think you're gonna give it away.
You're right.
You're gonna do everything you can possibly do to keep it.
I think I'm gonna take a couple of wrong turns on the way home.
Right.
Actually, I think that would be my best scenario right now. Ah, Jack, I'm in Wyoming somehow. I'm just gonna hang out here for a little bit. All right.
I don't know what happened to the truck.
Yeah, it got stolen last night.
Yeah.
I think. I don't know where it is. Definitely worthy of pulling a fib like that.
Oh yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's go. grab a bite to eat.
Mondo's gonna drive it one last time before he says goodbye. That way you can show me the sound system in this bird. I mean, these come factory with a killer sound system, and you put better subs in it. Oh my gosh, rock my brain. It's got the sunroof, rear power window, fully loaded. Tell you what would look good back there, a nice enthusiast sticker. Is that the first thing y'all gonna do? That's gonna be the first thing we do. Heck yeah. Paint match stickers.
Or maybe I shouldn't be getting onto on the truck. That's not mine. I'm driving it like it's still mine.
Drive it like you stole it.
I'm just gonna miss this thing.
Oh my god, that turbo, dude.
Did you put an upgraded flywheel in it? Or a turbo wheel? That does not sound like factory.
It's factory.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Sounds like a different impeller blade. Sounds like a 4-blade or a 5-blade.
You're gonna purposely take the long way to go eat so you can drive it?
I would have never known.
Your first drive.
Dude, I love it already, and I've just backed out of my parking spot.
Oh, let's just wait for the turbo to spool up.
Nah, we'll keep it out of spool. We don't want to make any noises, right? Nah, just kidding.
Stop on it.
However, I do have no clue where I'm going.
Oh my gosh. I need that sound in my life.
Yeah, you do.
Maybe I'll enter.
It wouldn't be a bad idea.
I'm gonna enter too.
Wins back own truck.
That would be crazy.
It'd be wild, dude.
I'm about to be like, it's ready.
Yeah, right.
Giveaways are fake.
Dude, the noises it makes.
I see what you mean with the pedal responsiveness too. That's
Is it quick?
pretty snappy, yeah.
Just follow her.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was gonna do.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, oh, that's gonna put a smile on the face all day long.
He's gonna be driving with the windows down.
Seriously, it's like 30 degrees. I'm like, I can't feel my toes.
Got the hood up.
Put turbo noises. Yeah, that kind of helps.
That's great. That's just two deleted piping. There we go.
I love exhaust brakes, bro. It just sounds so good.
I love that popping sound these L5Ps
Clapping.
make, yeah.
Yeah, yep. When they get into the higher RPMs, they like slap. It's beautiful. The L5P powertrain really is just, I love it. Amazing.
That's all damn gonna miss. Really. Power.
That's Armando's little son, who absolutely loves this truck. Do you think he's gonna cry? Oh,
He was just like, no, that's Daddy's truck.
it's like, what's this guy driving Daddy's truck?
Yeah, why is that guy doing that?
That's not Daddy.
Ready? Let's have a picture. Cheese. Put your hands down. Cheese.
Are you gonna miss that truck? Mm-hmm.
I feel like I'm taking a big part of this kid's life away from him. Jack, you sure you don't want him to think this?
Hey, you like this truck or that truck?
Oh no.
He's got good taste. I can't blame him.
He's gonna be like, buy me some enthusiast shirts. Let me enter.
I'm trying to win.
It's like, I'm not 18, but let me enter.
I told him, I was
That
like,
was
you
your
gonna try to
favorite?
win it back? He's like, yeah,
What
but
about
I'm
that
not gonna
one?
win it back.
You like that truck?
What?
You like that truck?
Oh, I know you do.
You like that one? Look.
You like that
You
one?
That one?
No,
What?
that one's not as cool, right?
He said daddy's truck.
He likes Daddy's truck. Damn, I'm low-key sad.
You're sad?
Yeah.
I think he's gonna cry.